Hello everyone, welcome to New York Live here today, and with Eivindfx, I guess. I guess I am that. Let's go. Michael, it is. There's a lot of people today. I'm here. 4990031. Hello again. Welcome back, mate. So today we have FOMC. I'm gonna give you what I think is gonna happen today. Also, gonna tell you what I think is gonna happen in the market today, and I think that. And I'm going to tell you today what I see for the future. The other thing that I need to, so pivot points. Yesterday was explained. Today it is questioned, answered. Questions, answered. Because there is some people who still has questions, so I'm not gonna deny you getting your questions asked. So, welcome everyone. My name is Eivind. I've been trading Forex for over 8 years now. I hope that is a place you want to be as well. The other thing that I also want to be is a place of knowledge, happiness, and development. So I do have a public service announcement. Today there is going to be a section where I'm going to give you content warning. That means that I'm going to say a pretty bad, or I'm going to say a joke. I'm not going to say if it's bad or ugly or naughty, whatever it is. I'm just going to say it's going to be in the content warning, probably in 25 minutes time. Then you need to find your headphones in case, so you don't speak, so I don't talk for everyone in the library and to your mother. The other thing that I also want to give you is a PSA about, somebody commented, I think it was yesterday, about Monday's live, that it was really a really bad live. And I do apologize for coming live here and exhausting myself so much that I had to sleep afterwards, just to make sure that you guys are happy, you guys are up to date, and I'm here for you. And I would never do that again, where I come live here and I don't. But I really thought I was giving you value, but I do apologize for that. By all means. Full power today, yes, saying very much so. Michael says, just open CAD and sell. Might be close before the CAD news. What are your thoughts? I think that is probably one of the riskiest things you have ever done, okay? I think CAD's going to fly today, bro. I'm sorry. I think CAD's going to fly today. So, Harold, there's going to be content warning in about 20 minutes. So, just so you are ready, because I'm going to talk to you and we're going to have a chat in 20 minutes about that joke. So, have fun with that. So, S&P 500 is making a bit of a new higher high today. Why is that important? Because that is one of the indicators for risk sentiment, or if the market is risk on, risk off. Somebody asked that in the A1 Trading Discord channel today. Here we are. I'm going to answer you that question. It depends. Depends on the indicators. I'm going to tell you all the indicators today. What is a risk indicator, or you can just Google it and you will find it on Daily FX, I think it is, that has made an article about that. So, currently, we are bearish. We are making a currently higher high. But don't make yourself become fooled. I think that this market here is set for another fall. Why? So, if we have, as I posted today, I think it came from it came from Daily FX guy. I can't remember what it's called. It was on Twitter, so I saved it, and so yeah. So there you are. What was I supposed to say? If we have a confirmed rate hike in March, that we're going to rate hike in March, this one is going to fall. Where does it say? Very bearish. March hike, very bearish for the stock market. I agree upon that. Short-term fall. Now we have already fallen 12% on the S&P 500. Okay, I think we can fall more, but I think that this market today is only my own opinions. This market today is set up for a fall. Now, why would the market fall? Higher interest rates equals higher costs. What is higher costs? That is lower results. Something like that. Results. So higher interest rates means higher costs, means lower results, meaning lower stock price. Now that is short term, okay, short term. And I don't know how short term is. Is it 1 day? Is it 2 days? Is it 5 days? Is it a month? Or is it a week? Or what is it? I do not know. That's why we have technical analysis to confirm or deny our bias that this is going to go down and this is going to turn around at some point. Now, this point here right now is an indication that the current fall down to 42 was just down a fall down to 42. And I am not going to buy S&P 500 or Nasdaq or US 30 until we have passed FOMC, and that is something that is very, 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 very clear where we're gonna go. Okay, can we have knowledge about FOMC and how it will affect SJD? I'm already there. Hello, Lion King. Crypto miner, welcome from Brussels. Where are people from today? What's the countries? I can go and look at the analytics afterwards. That's not fun, because I don't know who is from where. But so I can go and check. But yeah, where are you guys from? I know Crypto miner is from Belgium. I know Harold's from UK. Meshuran is from India. James is from Canada. So we have the whole world here. We have Asia. We have Europe. We have America. And I think I posted on the Discord under jokes or under off topic, where a guy in America asks a woman, "What is the biggest country in South America?" The biggest country in South America is South Africa. And welcome India. Tuan says from Malaysia. Singapore. Karibu sana, good evening from Kenya. South Africa, Dublin, Brazil. Yeah, okay. What if the Fed decide not to raise interest rates? Well, they're not expecting it to do it now, but in March. Not today, but in March. Then we'll send dollar down if there is going to go down. Of course, we have Sweden, we have India, Mumbai, we have Italy. You always give us value during live sessions. Those who don't like the live sessions can find someone else to watch. You do so much for us, and we put in a lot of work. Thank you very much. Love your videos. Thank you very much, Marilyn. South Africa. There's a lot of South African here. We're Uno. Planet Earth currently. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one, Harold. Planet Earth. That's the answer, right? But I know where you're from, so I've seen your house, bro. So don't worry. I know, and I know where to find you. Indonesia, South Africa, Zambia, Mozambique. Hello, Evan. Good to see you again. Chicago here. Not many people buying dollars anymore. Let's see. I understand your position. Let's see today. I'm not going to say I'm wrong or I'm right. And I also want to know who you are referring to who's not buying dollars anymore. I want that also to what's your sources. Is it retail? Is it smart money? Is it the market? What is it? That would be nice. How can I understand my understandings of fundamentals? I haven't planned that, but I can put in some fundamental basics in the FOMC live, maybe, so I can prepare myself, so I can put it out greatly. I think that is what I can do for you. And not that I need to prepare, but I think it's more efficient. Yeah, Czech Republic. I think the person who told the live was not good. Did not make the Aussie trade that we made. Anyways, so yeah. I'm supposed to stop reading chat. So today I have a goal. What if we hit 5-6 today? 30 pips up. 30 or 29 now. 29 people up today. Maybe. Why? How will we do that? Great content, great trades. That's what I'm gonna do. So S&P, that is down the line. Dollar. Okay. We are right. Okay. I said in the live earlier. No, not live. I said in the A1 trading. A1 trading. Who says I love you? Oh, don't make me cry. Don't make me cry. CJ says I love you, Ivan. Oh, that was an hour ago. I saw that now. I got a notification now. So yeah. Oh, I love you too. So. I saw that you sold us, and I will go through that one as well. James, I will write that down so I never forget about it, because I forgot it yesterday and I do apologize. So I'm better today. DXY. This is bullish, right? We all see this bullish. I say that 2 weeks prior to FOMC, dollar should fall. 1 week prior to FOMC, dollar will rise. The week off, we will range, or somehow range. How do you think that has happened? Has that actually happened in these 2 weeks, or has it not happened in these 2 weeks? So if you go then to pivot points, just to make sure that we are controlled, and see, told you, target hit on the bears, and the bulls was also hit. So, ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da! Good. So, wait. Mic drop again. That was M comma today. So, where are we going to go now? I think we'll go higher. And if we then do that today, for some reason, or we do that today, I'm going to go through those scenarios very quickly with you. So, if we do that, we have two scenarios. We have a flag pattern that somebody says, and then we're going to continue higher. Or we're going to have a much deeper pullback. The question becomes, if the flag pattern happens, we are not going to have any pullback on Monday. If the deeper retracement happens and we have 100% retracement, I am not so fan of that. That is not what I want to see. Okay? So, if we today have a new higher high, then two options I have. Either we just continue, or we have a deeper pullback, which I don't like. So this is my plan A. This is my this is worst case scenario. If we have initially a hawkish dollar, a hawkish Fed, and dollar goes higher. Hawkish means bullish, or there's a lot of buy pressure. Hawkish refers to a central bank that is increasing or in the process of increasing interest rates. If dollar falls for whatever reason, I don't care why it happened, but if it does, I have two theories here. One, we have 100% retracement, or we just continue. And either way, if we fall on dollar today, I'm gonna be out of here. So if it falls, no matter what I do, I'm not gonna do it. So I think dollar today, I think Fed is going to confirm that we're gonna have a rate hike in March. I think it's Bullard who said we're gonna have 3 to 4 rate hikes in 2022. Okay, so we are going into one of the more aggressive rate hikes in history. We also have had the most aggressive pickup in the economy in history. So this is what you need to learn. If the Fed confirms a rate hike in March today, we are going to see dollar bullishness. Straight out of the books, nothing in between, confirmed, dead, done. If then fall, it's a buying opportunity. By all means. Okay? Brandon says he will join the stream today. So for those who have not, thank you guys for the subscriptions, by the way. For those who have not found me yet or have not seen it, I have posted. Do we need to go to YouTube Studio? Maybe Eivindfx, maybe. And then we go to videos. I've planned it out, or maybe it's not public yet, but it's coming. All videos, yeah, all coming videos. This one. So for people who are waiting for it, so hit that button where it says get a notification or get reminder or something like that. Then that would be great. So if the Fed says we are not going to increase interest rates in March, dollar is gonna tank, go down, whatever. That was me being childish. I know I'm childish. So what then happens to QE? The bond purchase, are they going to cut it totally today, or are they going to continue with it, like continue as they have been saying until March or April? I don't remember right now. I still haven't thought about it anyways. But so if we are I think we are now at I think we are at 90 billion, or we're probably at 60 in February. The question, so there's 60 billions left to from February. Are they going to cut it, or are they going to again reduce by 30 in March and then be ending it in April? And if they end it in April, they are probably not going to increase interest rates in April. Then we will have a pushback, and that will push me out of the trades. So will this be a risk off, risk on? This is going to be 100% risk off if this, what I'm talking about, is coming to go true. I mean, you have any tips on patience when you're waiting for a price to get to identified entry point? Any tips? Okay. Learn, teach yourself. Experience. I don't know if you have a wife or a girlfriend or whatever, but we all have to wait for a girlfriend at some point, either because if you are ready before her, you have to wait for her to, get her things together and get out of the house, or she is maybe gone somewhere to maybe her parents, maybe go on trips. You have to wait for her somehow, or in the store, whatever, as any other person you need to wait for. You have patience then. I guess you have. Then how would you have patience if your woman goes away for 1 week? Do you have patience to wait for it? Yes, you have. Well, you have no choice. So, can you wait for it to wait for 1 week? Yes, in the end. So, what's the tips? The tips is to go through charts, put in trades, and see if you're right. Go to charts, put in orders, put in limit orders, and see, did it ever hit it? Now, we are now in real time. It's a bit different, I know, but I don't know how else to say that. You just need to teach yourself. There is some self-discipline. Maybe go for a walk, go for a run, take vacation, find something to do with your mates, look at football, look at YouTube, look at something else that would make you either exhausted, tired, happy, fulfill yourself, or go and read stuff. Get more information, ask me questions, and I know you have. Yeah. Exercise, go do something else with a girlfriend, friends, family. Go and make dinner, go to the store instead of driving the car to the store. I don't know, something that will make you go away from the charts physically. That's probably my biggest tips. Hello, Denise. Hello. Vikram says, loved your video yesterday on pivot points, still using this as reference for future. I will also answer questions about that later on today. Today we have an FOMC meet. Yes, we do, Shuran. Good morning, Frank. Yeah, I have seen it, Frank. I have been very busy this morning. I do apologize for that. Is the market right now going to go down, hence the increasing on JPY pairs? I will look at that one too. Tear the markets as your woman. I just read that. I watch people on Twitch saying, or on TikTok for that matter, saying like usernames that is incredibly naughty. You don't see it until you read it, and then and I didn't read it correctly because you said treat, and I said tear. Hey girl, what did you say? Don't take away your message. Yeah. Anyways, so I expect all the bullishes. By the way, we have a high right now, so if it pulls back and it stops at 95, that would be great. Aussie. Coming back or still at resistance, this is a good place for it to fall. Also 72.20 is a good place for it to fall. Also 72.60 is another place for fall. So whatever we do, we still have this sell here. So if you want to sell it, sure, by all means. I'm not gonna make you not do it, but it's an increased risk. Okay, there's an increased risk because of FOMC. We don't know what they're gonna say, and if they are saying what is in line with what we thought it's gonna be, believe me, it's not going to end tomorrow. Okay, it's not going to end tomorrow. Tomorrow is not the end of the bullish trend if we get it confirmed. So today is just one day out of many days. If you look at USD CAD back in April, 12th of April? Yeah. 12th of April, 21st of April, sorry, my bad. 21st of April, 2021, it took them 26 days for the market to reach a bottom when the Bank of Canada said they're going to increase interest rates earlier than expected. So, there you go. Have fun with that information. And also expect them to announce rate hikes in March today. So, yeah. How did you discover the pivot point strategy? There's a guy on YouTube called Forex.today. He used pivot points. Yo, Joe. So credit assured. So yeah, if I bam, FBI, open up. It's funny. So that's kind of, if just to reassure you that even though if today goes away and you don't get an entry today, do not worry about that. It's gonna be another day, okay? That's maybe my biggest, hottest tips for like people who doesn't know, or don't know, or cannot wait for their entry. I also cannot wait for my entry. But it's better to wait for entry than to lose money, kind of a thing. Boom, Joe. Oh, dang it. Where did you go, bro? There you go. There you are. Done. Thanks for the tips, man. I think I got it. You think you got it? So tips is, for patience, is go back in history. Number one, go back in history. Do trades again and again and again and again to see if it reaches your target, reach your price. So you teach yourself to wait for the market to come. If then if you already haven't, if we come into reality right now, if you have a market right now and you can't wait for it right now, go and do other things. That's what I said. If you have a limit order already, you're just waiting for market to go into your entry price, go and do something else. That's what I said. We also have Bank of Canada today. We do that. Yes. What is the yen out? What is the yen outlook, gang, into Feb? Or is it the opposite of what dollar does? We will look into that. What does Igor says? How do you discover... yeah, okay. And if you guys want a video on the pivot points, I'm probably going to show it to you anyways. Just to have that pointed out somewhere at some point. And there we are. And then we go and look at that. And then we go and look at share button, I guess. Something like that. Cool. Jacob. Ja, fantastisk. Kjempebra. Jeg koser meg, og vi har kjempegøy, og sånne ting. Så det, ja, flott. JK, I just said fantastic. Very good. I am really enjoying myself. So, could you look at crude, Dennis? Is it likely to be affected by the CAD news? Absolutely. So I want to look at New Zealand because we haven't reached 67.50 yet. That's kind of a more major level I want us to see. The other one is 67.13. We haven't hit it yet, so I think it's a bit too low to look at 67.13, but, you know, those and those are kind of entry prices to look forward to the downside. Okay? Downside, that's what I'm looking for. Downside. Down. Yen pairs like New Zealand yen typically outperforms their dollar counterparts like New Zealand dollar for the current and the next week seasonality-wise. All right, thank you. That's very good to know at the moment. Just for reference, Aussie yen fell 130 pips last week. USD yen fell 22. So make your choices. USD CAD has been requested for. And if there is one day you are not going to hear from me that you should do anything on USD CAD, it is today. In 1.5 hours, there is going to be a Bank of Canada meeting. I'm not planning to be alive there because I'm probably going to bore the living life out of you, but it's in 1.5 hours. And I'm expecting them to come up with some bullish, some hawkish sentiment. They're going to make the CAD go strong like a banana, but where we have, maybe we'll go down there to the bottom, come FOMC, and it goes back up again. What did you learn? That the market is unfair, that it goes 100% back up again, and there's nothing you can do about it. And what will it do after that? It will go range bound. And you will not gain anything because you didn't sell euro, you didn't sell pound, you didn't sell Aussie, but you bought USD CAD. So, if there is anyone, any day, that I'm going to give you a non grata, no access, and if I was your broker, I would put that. I will not make you, and I will not allow you to enter an order on my broker if I was a broker today. And as your fund manager, I will say, if you are a CAD trader today, I will give you a holiday, do something else. If you're USD CAD trader, I will give you a holiday, do something else, give some roses to your missus, I don't know, something, but you're not allowed to trade USD CAD. We'll come back tomorrow. There is a better day. Okay? Jumping over to Aussie yen. You sold where, James? Hallelujah, hallelujah. Marco, you are from Italy, wasn't it? Is it buongiorno, Marco? Is that buongiorno? Call me Kraken. Yeah, so you opened sell on Aussie yen. Yeah, okay. I thought you got out of it, but okay. Fair enough. So, yeah. So, okay, cool. I'm like looking into it right now to sell it at 82. That would probably be great, but I'm looking for it to go down. Yeah. Where can I get such information? Asks Patrick. That is seasonality, and where can you get such information? You probably need to ask Joe himself. Either in the Discord or on Plan to Profit YouTube channel. Yeah. It's a combination of a lot of research more than anything else. Okay? Shodan says, I will close my account, change the password, and give it to you. Okay, fine. Well, you still have access to the password, though. So. What's related to news? Rafael, it's the Bank of Canada has an interest rate meeting in 1.5 hours. Then FOMC, the Bank of America, not the Bank of America, but the Central Bank of America, if you can call it central bank, is going to do that in America in a couple of 5 hours. So 5.5. So today you really have two strong economies having interest rate decision. If I sold the euro, I don't know when I did sell the euro, but yeah, I did. Marco says, yay! Marco, do you know this guy called, what is he called? Oh, okay. Well, that didn't go well, did it? Oh, crap. What's the guy called? He's called, I can't remember what his name is even now. Harold, help me out, please, in the comment section. Harold, what's it called? The Italian guy on ITV, Good Morning, whatever, Britain show, whatever you call it. So that is definitely an interesting move. Now we have a double top. Hi, Adu. What is? You can look at pound Swissy. I will look at pound Swiss later. It's not my primary. It's not a primary things for me to look at. Can you recommend some websites to check out forex news, which might add fundamental analysis, or do you check country individually? FX Street has their own institutional research. So fxstreet.com/whatever, and you go to institutional research. You have forexlive.com. I'm just going to say it so you can Google yourself. They have a central bank section. So forexlive.com/Gino. Gino, do you know Gino, Marco? That guy is hilarious. Oh, well, whatever. Well, because he says he has bad English, and it's he's like, it's bad in English, but the other one is financial juice. Yeah, I do mean that guy. Gino Diacampo. Yeah, he's hilarious. If I look at any Italians, it's sausage in the hole. That's what it is. May I know your plan? May I know how you plan the level through entry? Is it based on pivot points? Oh, that's a big question, Tuan. First of all, before you even think about anything, I use fundamental analysis. More than very easily explained, what does the central bank wants the markets to do? Then I use technical analysis. I then use support and resistance, trend following. You don't need pivot points. Pivot points are not the reason why I enter the market. Pivot points helps me identify support and resistance faster than I can calculate it myself, So, when we have pivot points, I would use the level M2, the green box here, M2 to buy. In a bullish trend, so this is a bullish trend. And in a bearish trend, I will look for M3, M3. That's a sell price. And the green box is in target, and target. Okay? Osman says, please do gold. Oh, Harold. Okay, everyone right now. Content warning. Now you can mute me for 2 seconds. Harold, are you still there? Yeah. Okay. Good. So we will do gold the next one. I'm just going to do Aussie. Just mention prices. That is 71, 77. Okay. And 72. Okay, good. Euro is 13.50 or 13.20. Pound is probably 13.55. Yeah, okay, good. Can you... Okay, warning. Can you imagine all the shit that I've been through? Can you imagine all the shit I've been through? Yeah. Your butt cheeks. I'm just waiting for your response, by the way. I don't know if I've told you that before. Anyways, we were doing... I know I'm probably lost some followers there, but you know, this is a fun. I should probably have like a label somewhere in the thumbnail. I will laugh. Arctic Dad is laughing at least. Harold is not laughing. I don't know, maybe he can't laugh, but you always give and look to give value, man. Don't second guess anything you're putting out. Always gotta be haters, whether you're buzzed or not. I'm always have fun and educational. Just do it. Thank you very much. Do you think Boris Johnson acting like an idiot at getting fired? I think that, well, if you look at Norwegian news and by all the news in Norway, they kind of want him to go, and in Norway you would go, because it's repeated offenses. Well, it's pointed out because you kind of dig in and then you find more and more parties. But in Norway, they did that with the prime minister. Did that once, I think. But it was kind of like, it was a private party in a restaurant. It was kind of like a gray area more than anything else because it was celebrating her birthday. So that was only once. But she apologized, and she had never done it before. She never did it again. But Boris has done it 5 or 6 times now, whatever it is. And when you're a repeated offender, you know, one time you can forgive, next time you're out, you know. So I think, and that's going to be bad for, I think it's going to be bad for pound pairs. It's going to impact them, yes. So gold. What are we going to do here? I have had a bullish plan lately, and I expect you to have made money in this market here if you are a buyer. The question becomes every single day, where is it going to go? Is it going to go higher? Is it going to go lower? If we are looking into dollar strength, that's going to be gold down, right? And if you're looking into not gold, not dollar strength, not so much, but gold strength, we're going to go higher. So it all depends on what are we going to do today and where are we going to be. I also believe that where we start right now, it is just pure technical, you know, higher highs, higher lows. We are made a higher high. We haven't made a pullback. I don't know if it's going to hold, but it's been holding lately. This might be the end, but you never know where the end is until the end is there, right? So if you have bias here, and I have actually successfully been telling you levels ever since 1800. So that's a $45 move higher. You're welcome. Boom. What am I going to say about gold for today? I'm not going to diffuse anything of you what about your friend and your argument, but I'm going to say gold is currently technically higher, but it can fall tonight. That's what I'm going to say. Is using take profit zones of the following week recommended? You have to use the current week. Yeah, use the current week. But previous week, you can't. Well, I sometimes do that. You're not supposed to do that. But previous periods take profits should probably not be used. But I do that. But yeah. Do you check currency strength meter? No, I don't. Not on a regular basis. I can, but I don't. So I have a bullish plan on gold. I think we should go up to 1860. And this is a bit against the dollar strength we are talking about all day. But I think that what is happening right now, guys, is that we should be buyers, if anything. And then, because that's been my plan ever since November, I think it is. No, we talked about since 1st of December, by the way. So this has been my most profitable gold a month in a very, 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 very long time. Yeah, okay. I'm just reading your comments, bros. Lady ends well. Sorry, I'm not gonna give you away. Oh, all right, okay. So we said yesterday at around. Harold, are you still in that, guys, or did you just get stopped out? Are you still in that, guys? I'm not taking any credit here. I'm just asking for your trades here, because. All right, okay. Because you said underwater, you need to be up at 4 to be break even. And now it's at 4.16. That should be great for you, right? So, profitable. Boom. Why is it so easy to trade right now? Jeez. Yeah, oil, to be honest, question mark. It's at resistance. It's not at support. Maybe this is going to be support tomorrow. Tomorrow. So you're kind of looking for that. If you're looking for buys, again, so yeah, either 85, 86 or 84.50 kind of a thing. So it depends. Yeah, that's kind of what you're looking for. I'm just waiting for your netcast. Hello, Samson. Oh, you are so late. Shame on you. You gotta be shameful. No, actually, by the way, do not never tell me you're late to my streams. You're never late to my streams, because you are like, what do you call it in the Bible? It's not the forgotten son. It's the son that went away. He took all his dad's inheritance and gambled it away, or threw it away, and just wasted it away, and didn't want to come home. And when he finally come home, they threw the biggest party that I've ever done, because they were so glad to see their son coming home. So Samson, if you ever come to my live, I will never be your late. At least not what I mean. If you come here to my live, I'm going to be so grateful that you actually took time out of your day to come here. Prodigal son, yeah. English and Norwegian, I'm sorry. You know, me and my Swedish friend, Arctic Dad, probably understand what I meant. So we are 2 at least. So USDN, I'm not gonna trade that today. That's an X. Jeez, that's an X there. I'm not gonna trade that today. Just decided not to do that. So, where are we going next? Pound dollar. Has anyone asked for a pound dollar today? I don't think we have. So, what has happened since last time? Double bottom, higher high, higher low. That's 1. I need 2 to be buyer. I'm not a buyer here. So, this can go higher, this can go lower, this can go whatever it wants to go. But I believe, as together with James, I think we agreed on that yesterday, that this can eventually go higher. If it's going to be today, if it's going to be in 1 month, I do not know. But pound has bullish buyers waiting to unleash their force into the market. He lost everything. So what I said was he I think I used the word gambled it away, or he wasted it away. Yeah, he did. So, Aya says, can you do euro pound? I will do euro pound. There's been a lot of requests for that lately. I will do so. It's in the pound. We can do pound yen, pound euro, pound dollar right now. Okay, good. So, I, with dollar strength, think this is going to fall further, but I do not know, and I do not anticipate that this is going to be a successful trade with this pair, with this strength coming in for pound at any time. It can be any moment. But whenever it does, you are very much allowed to buy pound. The question of all questions is should it be against the dollar? Let's go to pound yen. So that is a sell area of 1350 and 136. Those are the levels, and probably also 135.17. So those are 3 levels I'm looking for sells at. I'm not going to give you a specific one, because I'm not going to give you anything that will make you sell it, because I don't want you to do it anyways. Pound yen 155 is a level that I'm looking into shorting it. This one again is pound. I don't like it, but seasonality wise, it's supposed to fall down. Now, has it fallen? Yes, it has. Can it go higher again? Yes, it can. So I need to be very cautious as to what I do on pound yen. And right now we have, did we reach a target? I think we reached a target. Or we didn't. Okay, I felt like this was a target. It was probably a target. It was 153. So right now I'm just gonna be up here waiting for price, and then go down again. That's all I'm gonna do on pound yen. Euro pound. You take me high to worship your pound. Anyways, I tried. So, what's going on here? Let me entertain you. Okay, let's go through this one now, one by one, candle by candle. This is a target hit on Tuesday or Wednesday, early in the week. Early in the week. This is now late in the week. Target hit, boom, boom, boom. This is again an early target. What happens when you hit early targets on euro pound? It goes 100% back down again. It cannot be clear. I think I said yesterday, this is a level you can be a buyer, but I don't trust it. Or in those terms, I wouldn't in a million years. And I was right. I shouldn't trust this one. So, we hit target early. It works like a dream. And coming back down to target again is very uncommon, but okay, it happened. Then if target hits early, you are going to, if you sell it down to central pivot, and then you're out. So buyers, sellers are done. I do not have any trade plans whatsoever on euro pound at the moment. I don't see anything. So right now we just need to see, is it going to continue lower? Is it going to reverse back up again? Now we need to see, like, what does the market want us to do? So this one is done. Done. I just want to leave this pair. The reason for that is that's where you take profit. And that's where you take profit. When 100% of the market should be TP. You are the only one left to trade it. You're the only one left to trade it. Okay? Extending TL on gold on weekly. Yeah. By all means. Pound yen, we did that Spartan 007. Looking at 155 to the downside, that's all. Great Queen song. Yeah, it is. What does GN mean? Is it pound New Zealand, or is it good night? Not publicly, no. I will do so. I normally have a Zoom meeting, or make a Zoom meeting before February. So I will probably have a Zoom meeting either on Saturday or Monday. Either Saturday or Monday, with the mentorship students. It's a lot of work, so yeah, but I will try to do that. Okay, good. So the other thing to note here is I think we're 1 hour away from the CAD news, and so Mr. J.K. Ministry says, "I'm sorry you're late. Please, as the prodigal son, don't worry. If when you come late, you come early. Well, if you come as I'm ending it, of course, but if you come anywhere between the start and the beginning, and I'm still alive, you are very much welcome. Don't say you're late. I am deeply appreciative of every single one of you coming here anyways and take the time out of your day to listen to me. I find that very humbling. So just for you to come here and be commenting, I'm very, 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 very grateful. And if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here. So I'm dependent on you. By the way, I'm just gonna maybe I should do that in the Forex in the FOMC. So tonight's gonna be a small announcement. So, do you think, which songs do you like to hear? I've heard playing electronic or house music before videos. That is just to hype me up, though. I like to listen to classical music. I'm weird, I know. I need to take this one. This is my mother. Sorry, people. Sorry about that, people. Okay, cool. So yeah, I think Cat is going to strengthen today, and the meeting is in 1 hour. And yeah, so which songs do you like to listen to? Yeah, classical music, just to rewind. Sometimes just just some relaxing music, just just instruments. And sometimes last week or this week I've been starting to look into Metallica again because I listened to Metallica like 10 years ago, but and then now it's more like Kygo and what do you call him? Kygo and I can't remember what he's called anymore. So yeah, Kygo. That's partly house music. So a bit of a diverse, depending on the mood, I guess. And sometimes it's actually pretty nice to listen to some worship as well. So yeah. Anyways, so CAD going to the upside. Not really great entries. Well, I guess you would have gotten great entries if you bought earlier, but yeah, it's definitely to the upside, and away they go. If I was ever allowed to what Arctic Dad just said in the comment section, I'm not going to read that for you. If you have access to the chat, you're very much welcome. I said I was in a meeting, so she's like, oh, okay. Oh, that really threw me off. Anyways, okay. So cat to the upside today, definitely. Oh Jesus. Okay. Oh. Collect yourself. Yeah, that's how you threw me off. That's how you threw me off, though. That's how you throw me off. Also, again, just looking into it again. Yeah, so it seems like it stopped, or at least not moving so hard anymore, James. So yeah, still okay sell. Still okay sell. Not too bad. Setup, yeah, okay. Not too great. I will probably wanted to have sell it a bit higher, but it goes. New Zealand yen seems to me like it has made a bottom, but it's still very much bearish. Okay. We still have this as resistance, and we still have this as resistance. So whatever the level is that we need to go up to, it's still, we still have levels to come up to sell it, right? So everything is great. And if I was a buyer, maybe, but I'm not too keen about that. Jesus. Or Arctic, that if you are ever in Zoom calls at around 11 p.m. when I post the link, I can tell you some of my jokes. They are so dark. They're so dark. Okay, I can tell you one. I can tell you one in a comeback. I once broke up with my disabled girlfriend. So I took her wheelchair away. So guess who came crawling back? Content warning, by the way. Oh. CJ, you're Ian, yes. So what's the rating there, Mister? What what's the rating, Marco? Yeah, so right now on Euro-Yen, it's either that level or that level I'm hoping it will fall from. Right now we have kind of like, I don't know, it's not really punching hard from 129. So maybe we need a bigger retracement before we find sellers. So maybe 126, 129.60, 50 level, like somewhere around this level. Yeah. Everything is a challenge in my life. Everything is. And no, my actual wife is not disabled. Don't worry, it's not about her. It's jokes. We lost the one girl who was here. No, I think Denise who was here in the beginning. I haven't really heard anything bad from her about my jokes, but she's busy, so I don't think she has trouble with me. I don't think she will tell me. She's grown up enough to tell me. So yeah. I hope you guys are having a good time. So to wrap this up, I haven't explained any pivot points today. So if there is any questions about that, I will do that now. But today I'm expecting dollar bullishness. I'm expecting hawkish Fed, hawkish Bank of Canada in 1 hour. I'm expecting CAD to rise. I'm expecting QE to end either now or the next meeting. I'm expect in America. The QE in Canada has already ended. I'm expecting that market can rally pretty hard on dollar. S&P can fall pretty hard if confirmed on interest rates. I also think we are able to already have orders in. Not orders, already have trades in on the dollar pair, so I'm still good in the boat there. So I'm just expecting some continuations. But if something goes against, be break even. Don't lose trades you cannot afford to lose, right? So I am expecting Aussie to either sell from 71.80 or 72 area. I'm expecting Euro to fall from either 113, if it ever 13.50, 113.50, or 13 level that's already sold from. Who? Kuzma91 subscribed. Woohoo! Boom! Oh yeah! Boom! Welcome to the family and love you. Pound. I'm not going to trade pound for whatever reason. New Zealand dollar come up to 67. 13, 67.50. If so, Euro New Zealand, nothing there. Pound yen, nothing there. USD CAD, no at all. Aussie yen at level that I would like to sell. Maybe I should actually go and sell it right now. CAD yen, great. I'm not going to trade it anyways. Euro yen, not so high. And Euro New Zealand yen, maybe 76.40, maybe 77.38. I am now going to go over to another guy of ours, which is called. He's called Nick. This guy called Nick. I'm going to his live right now. I'm going to be helping out in that comment section, answering questions. Here we are. That's me. And where is he? This is him. So that's where I'm going to be. So you can find me there. Okay. Have a good day. Katie says, did you hear about Ligma? No, I haven't heard about Ligma. What about Ligma? I'm waiting, bro. I'm waiting. Did you hear about Ligma? No. It's supposed to be. It's seasonality. And hit the like button, for crying out loud. But yeah, I hope I gave you some value too for you to hit the like button. Okay. Take care, people.